guys, welcome back. So, in my quest to be a full stack software developer, because obviously right now I'm just a front end developer, I work mostly with Vue.js and a little bit of React, of course, because everyone loves React. So, I kind of like worked on this crazy project. It's not really that big of a project, it's just a pretty fancy project. It's called Git Code API. So this API sort of thing, which I built in Node.js because I'm trying to get my hands dirty and I'm the sort of person who if I want to learn something, I'll try to get my hands dirty. I'll try to write code in that thing which I want to learn or in that language which I'm trying to learn or framework or whatsoever thing. So that's just how I am. So I actually got into Node.js. I must say I'm liking Node.js. I mean like this is my first app ever I've built with Node.js and my first endpoint of course I've built with Node.js and it's kind of crazy. I don't know, like it's really awesome. So after building this endpoint, I was so much excited by what I've built. Well, of course, it's not that much, but at least I've learned a lot of things. I mean, like it's crazy. So it's kind of weird because when I was starting this funny project, how I call it, I didn't expect anyone to be interested in it. And that was crazy because I actually got a guy called Joseph who actually built an app out of it. When I saw this, I was down. I was so freaking surprised. And he did this just a couple of hours, like 3 hours after I deployed this to Heroku, because then I was looking for a free hosting platform where I could host the Node.js app. So I was really surprised. So what did I learn in all of this? So what I learned is Node.js, it's not really that difficult. I mean, it's just a couple of JavaScript, like the normal JavaScript we write on the front end, just it's more cooler. So what do I plan to do? Well, now that I'm done with all the basics I wanted to learn throughout this project and all of that, what will become of this project? So the project is still going to be there. The project will be here. As a matter of fact, there are actually a couple of people. Well, I would say one person who started contributing and he sent a pull request. So the project is here. It's on GitHub. Whosoever wants to come fuck the project and do whatsoever thing you want to do with it. I mean, like, I was pretty surprised when a lot of people got interested. Well, I wouldn't say a lot, but kind of, I wasn't really expecting even one person to be interested in this project. And I got a pull request, and he actually added like a couple of things. Oh, I have to approve this pull request. Oh, keyword. That's pretty interesting. He even said a pull request. I mean, like, this is this is crazy how a fancy project I just wanted to learn it's turning into something pretty real and I'm actually loving this. So, what did I learn in this whole thing? Well, I would say I learned much than I thought I would learn. I've learned how to like send data to the front end, get data from the front end, like give routes using Express, and my functions are just basic JavaScript functions, the normal JavaScript we write in the front end. And in here, it's just a basic route. I mean, like, it's pretty explicit. It's just a function, and I send data. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, wow, I think I'm getting to love this. I just have a route here. I have a request, a response. I just send my response with the response.send and I pass in the data I want to send to the front end. And each time you hit this endpoint, it would automatically return this data. This is so cool. Oh gosh. Well, I know it might seem I'm pretty backward, but like I've never seen something. Well, I'm kidding. I have worked with PHP, but I've never seen something actually this cooler. So I actually learned this pretty awesome way of doing things, of like grabbing data. You like grab data and you use that data actually to like, just grab the data on the URL, and you pretty much use that data in your backend. This is really cool. I'm loving this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Well, I know this video is not a tutorial, but I thought it would be great if I share with you guys what I learned these days. So if you want to contribute to the project is there. You can send a PR, you can check out the code, do whatsoever thing you want to do with it. It's all on you. And also the project, it's been hosted so you can use it. You can use it online. I mean, like the endpoint has been hosted on Heroku. So this is it here. You just hit the endpoint and you will get data. That's it. Thanks again for watching the video. See you in the next one. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide.